Hi, welcome to Learn English with Canada Lingo. So in this series, we are going to learn family and friends level starter. So this is the first lesson. I'm Billy. So you are going to listen and repeat. Listen, it means dinle, and repeat, it means tekrar et. So listen and repeat.
Hello.
Hello. So let me write here. Hello.
I'm Miss Bell.
I'm Miss Bell. I'm Miss Bell. So I'm, it means then. For example, I'm Burak, or I'm Daphne, or I'm Jack.
What's your name?
Please repeat, tekrar edin. What's your name? Let's listen again.
Bell. What's your name?
What's your name? So right here. What's your name? What's, it means nedir. So what's your name? Senin ismin nedir? What's your name? So what's your name?
I'm Tim.
I'm Tim. Please repeat. Lütfen tekrar edin. Let me write here. I'm Tim. So I'm Tim.
And what's your name?
And what's your name? Senin adın nedir? So what's your name?
I'm Rosie.
Please repeat. Tekrar ediniz. I'm
Rosie.
Rosie. Ben Rosie. So I'm Rosie.
And what's your name?
And what's your name? And it means ve. And what's your name? What's your name?
B. B.
B.
Hello, B. Billy.
Oh, his name is Billy. So we can say I'm Billy. So right here, I'm Billy. I'm Billy.
Oh, Billy. Goodbye, Billy.
Please repeat. Goodbye, Billy. Goodbye. It means güle güle. Goodbye, Billy. So goodbye, Billy.
Bye.
All right. So we learned hello. We learned hello, I'm misspell. Then we learned what's your name. What's your name? It means senin adın nedir? So what's your name? Then we learned I'm Tim. And what's your name? I'm Rosie. What's your name? I'm Billy. Then we say goodbye, Billy. Goodbye, Billy. So let's listen again. Listen, it means dinle, and repeat. Tekrar et.
Hello, I'm Miss Bell. What's your name?
I'm Tim.
And what's your name?
I'm Rosie.
And what's your name?
Bee!
B. Hello, B.
Billy!
Oh, Billy. Goodbye, Billy.
Bye.
So we can play a game and learn some words. Let's start this monster vocab. So
salad,
salad. Please repeat. Salad. This is salad.
olives,
Olives. These are olives.
eggplant,
Eggplant. This is eggplant.
grapefruit,
Grapefruit. Please repeat. Grapefruit.
pizza,
Pizza. So this is pizza.
burrito,
Burrito. Burrito is like doner maybe. Burrito.
watermelon,
Watermelon. Watermelon.
pumpkin,
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
orange juice,
Orange juice. Orange juice.
pears,
Pears. Pears. So look. Pumpkin. So pumpkin.
pumpkin,
And this is grapefruit. Grapefruit.
grapefruit,
This is orange juice. Orange juice. Bring it
orange
here.
juice,
Olives. Olives. I bring olives to here.
olives,
And can you read this? Eggplant. Look. Eggplant.
eggplant,
And pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
pizza,
This is salad. Salad.
salad,
Pears. Pears.
pears,
Watermelon. Watermelon.
watermelon,
And burrito.
burrito,
Burrito. So again, this is burrito.
burrito,
This is salad.
salad,
This is orange juice. Orange juice.
orange juice,
Eggplant. Eggplant.
eggplant,
This is pumpkin. Pumpkin.
pumpkin,
This is grapefruit. Grapefruit.
grapefruit,
And this is pizza. Pizza.
pizza,
And pears.
pears,
Olives. olives,
olives,
and finally, watermelon. Watermelon.
watermelon.
Well done. Perfect. So I can stop sharing and we can learn from book. So this is our book. So this is A, A, A. Let me write it. Look, look. A, A like apple. So A like apple. Look, this is a green apple. Or A like Annie. So this girl's name is Annie. We can say, I'm Annie. And again here, this is A apple. A Annie. So this is A apple, or we can say A apple. Here we have one apple. One, it means beer. Yes, one apple. But here we have two apples. Two, it means iki. So here we have one. Here we have two. Two apples. So here we have one apple. Here we have two apples. Again, here we have two apples. Here we have two apples. But here we have one apple. Again, this is two. So one, two. Two apples. This is two. Two. Let me write two. So we choose one and two. Again, this is two. So I select one, two, but this is one. So I select one apple. This is one. I select one apple. Okay, so here we learned one apple and two apples. We can say, hello, I'm Jack. What's your name? Ben Jack. Senin adın nedir? So, hello, I'm Jack. What's your name? Then we learned one apple and two apples. Okay, so this is the end of this lesson. I hope you learned and see you next session. Goodbye.